Hey everyone, I'm Brian. You're watching Build a Place channel. In this video, we're going to be building a heavy-duty battery hold-down frame. Very similar to this one I made several years ago. I'm going to use this for a larger size battery. I'm going to make one for this size battery. It's going to be slightly different in the make, but it's going to be about the same thing. I like to use old bed frames to make things like this. They're free, people give them away. Sometimes you can find them. Well, a lot of times people have them, they just give them away. So I'm going to use two different sizes. This was, I believe, 1.25 inch angle, and this is I'm looking at 1.5 inch angle. So we're going to cut these up to the length we need and start building a heavy-duty bed. A heavy-duty battery hold-down frame. This is a sketch of what I'm building. Hopefully you can see that. It looks kind of hard to see, but off where the hole's going to be. And we're ready to go to the drill press. Drill those holes. Finished the welding and got it cleaned up a little bit. It's ready for paint now. The bracket is all complete now, so all I need to do is I'm going to drill holes to match these holes in the piece of machinery that I'm putting it in. And then that goes on there. Then I'm using just all thread and I'm running that through each of these holes. And then wherever I drill the hole, it's going to be a 3/8 inch clearance hole. I'll have a nut at the top on the deck of the machine, and then a nut at the bottom to lock this piece of all thread in to that machine. And then whatever distance I need here for the height, I'll just trim it so that this sticks up maybe an inch or so, maybe or less than that. Just need a few threads, but I'll put it maybe probably about 1 inch is what I'll leave that piece of all thread length. So that completes this project. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're watching any of my other videos and you like what I'm presenting, subscribe to my channel, leave comments about anything that I post. I always try my best to reply to every comment. Since I have a very small YouTube channel, I can pretty much give comments to everything. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video.